Hi, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Sandra and I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We have a storefront in Pine City, Minnesota. We also sell online on our website at www.midwestcharm.co. The items I'm using today to transform my project can be purchased there. We are actually using Country Chic paint in Simplicity, which is their white. So we're going to be using that today, and we're going to be transforming something I bought towards the end of the Christmas season, and I thought, man, these could be transformed into winter. So instead of them being bright red, they had little strings holding them, some twine. I'm actually going to paint them white and distress back just so the tin on here just peeking through. So I'm just going to go through and paint these and distress them and tie them up. Please watch, like, subscribe, and share all those good things, and we'll see y'all next time. And now I have two coats on each side, and I'm just going to take a sanding sponge and go over this so that the tops of all the embossed tin that's on here, so the color underneath, which was red if you remember, pops back through, and then it's going to look like a patterned mitten. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm off screen. Let me wipe this down. Should Poppy goes down here to watch this, but it's really quick here. I'll put the strings back on, or maybe I'll go find some ribbon to match and then hang these up.